All right, we're live. So did everybody do the reading?
I did.
I got 95% of it done.
Yeah, I did most of it.
Before we start, can I ask a quick question? Are you all going to be using Excel mostly or SPSS?
Excel is what
Excel.
I use.
Okay. Okay, great. That's what I'll use then. Won't worry about trying to find SPSS.
Yeah. Not even entirely sure what that is.
Yeah, me either.
I think it's for somebody who uses, I may be wrong, but I think it's somebody who like uses like a Mac or Linux, but for some reason doesn't use Microsoft.
Okay. Yeah,
that's
good. I just thought it'd be easier if we were all using the same program, and it looks like we will, so that's good.
Yep. Let's see here.
This way more than last week, but it still wasn't too bad. It was just more in depth this week. It was kind of fun.
Yeah.
I was kind of frustrated by the layout of it all. Like I was really bothered that it was asking us to figure out the standard deviation before it told us how to do the standard deviation.
Yeah, that's my biggest challenge with this class is it took me forever to download the spreadsheet and then put it in Excel and just the technical aspect of it. But once I got that all lined up, then the actual material was pretty easy, I felt like.
Oh, something to help you guys. So I think it's in the course, I can't remember where it's at. I think it's in the course thing in the syllabus. But they actually have a file that has all of the Excel files in it. So rather than trying to download each individually, it just is a zip file with everything in it, so you can just plug it in.
Yeah, I finally found that.
Okay. Yeah, that's very. Sorry, go ahead, Becky.
Just that's handy, yeah.
Yeah, no.
Okay, should we just run through?
Yeah, let's I'm pulling up the quiz right now.
Okay. Here's what, based on the response we're getting from the professor, although I inherently disagree with him, and I will email him more, because I think he is off base a little bit, because I really don't think he's understanding what's going on. And I find it asinine that they're like, you need to all submit at the same time, because that doesn't strike me as anything to do with the honor code or anything of that nature. I will email him and argue with him that way. I don't feel like I need to argue with him publicly in front of the entire class.
So is he... Go ahead.
So I think this round, let's all submit at the same time, and if we make a mistake, we'll figure out. Then we'll have to all resubmit the second time, and I'll email him and talk about it. But I don't feel like publicly arguing with him is going to get us anywhere.
No.
That makes sense.
Oh, well, I might have shot myself in the foot a little bit here. Where are those Excel files?
Oh, they. Let me get back to the thing really quick.
Would they be down under resources?
I think it might be under resources.
I think it is.
I opened up the quiz, and there's a big what is it, Excel file they have to use for it, and open it on my laptop.
I'm trying something different. My internet was glitching out, so I'm trying from my phone for Hangouts and computer for the quiz.
All right, there you go.
Yeah.
Yeah. I'm not thinking. I can't get my. Can you? So, Mac, you can be on Hangouts on your phone and on the computer.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna work on that later to do that more.
All right.
Okay.
I missed something. Are we getting started on the quiz? Or are we looking into something else?
Oh, quiz, I think.
Yeah,
Okay.
getting started on the quiz. Sorry, I might have burned one of my tries though. Is the only thing.
Oh no.
Okay. It's
Yeah, because there's an Excel file that you have to use. There's an Excel file that you have to use for it. But since I opened it on my iPad, the Excel file isn't reading.
it's the mystery investment, right?
I think it's called the wrong patient, wrong something or other.
That's right.
Wrong site, wrong patient. Excel.
Wrong site, right patient.
Wrong site, wrong patient.
Got it. Okay.
All right. All right, I've got it up.
I'm almost there.
This is gonna be like an hour-long video here. We probably should have pulled this up first.
No, you're okay. Well, it
I
sounds
figured I
okay.
should pull up the quiz first.
Getting ready to do it. All right.
All right, there we go. I'm up.
Hey, buddy.
Oh my gosh. Whew. Everybody out there?
What?
I'm here.
Everybody
Where?
out there? Oh, I got it.
Nice.
I think I've got the answer to number, well, to the first question.
Number 3? I think I do too. What do you have?
I've got, just 1 second to jump over to that other page. Alrighty, $80,041.
That's what I got too. I think
Cool.
I've got yeah, well.
80,041.
Yep, 80041.
For question 4, are we guys ready for question 4? Or are we all still getting set up with question 3?
Oh yeah, I'm still getting set up. Sorry.
No, you're fine.
1-4, you say?
Yep, 80041. 41, not 14. 41, Becky.
Thank you.
No worries about
So how did you do that? Did you have to open the other, did you just total it down? Not,
that. So what you do is you open up the 2 Excel sheets. So one is the descriptive statistics, and then the other one's the wrong site, wrong patient. Right now, because we've done it the wrong site, you just copy the numbers. You transfer the number. You clear out the column in A and copy it upon the descriptive statistics.
okay.
You clear up that, and then you add in all the numbers from the wrong site column, and it'll give you the info.
Oh, it's the wrong site. Okay. I did wrong patient. That explains why everything was messed up.
Yeah, no,
What's
you're
the
okay.
other? Is it the quantitative descriptive statistics? Did I read up?
Yep, quantitative. Sorry.
Okay. Yeah. Okay. I'll get that up. And then, yeah, I know how to do it from there.
Awesome.
Number 4, everyone ready for that one?
Yeah, I've got. When everyone's ready for number 4, just let us know. I'm good to go.
68552.
Yep, 68552.
Yep. Is everyone seeing that on their spreadsheet? Descriptive.
Yeah. I know. The stat for number 5, the standard deviation, I've got 71404.
Sorry, what was 4?
Oh, 68552.
Okay.
Where are you finding these functions again?
So if you go into you plugged all the wrong site numbers into your copy of the descriptor stats, right?
I have no idea where that is.
What?
It was in the, yeah.
So you have to pull up 2 forms,
So
right? You have to pull up the
in
wrong
reading.
wrong outcome and also the quantitative description statistics.
Okay.
So the quantitative description statistics we used in the preparation, and it's the manipulating tool, and then the wrong site, wrong patients is just the data. So it's going to be different files for each question. So we just have to copy and paste into the quantitative description statistics.
Okay.
Once you figure out copying and pasting it in, it's pretty straightforward, right?
Yeah.
Sarah? And
It's super straightforward.
Yeah.
Always make sure you completely clear out though column A. And like you have a blue line that says paste out below, start at A2, and always clear out A2 to the end. That's the trick with this stuff.
Mark, I'm emailing that spreadsheet out right now to everyone. I don't know if you found it yet or not, but I'm just gonna send it out to everyone in case you need it.
All right.
Did you find it already? Okay, yeah, you'll see it as soon as the hotel Wi-Fi decides to upload. It'll be gone.
Don't worry, Mark. We got your back.
That's fine.
Whew, all right, there it is. It's going out to the group email here. And this is the Excel spreadsheet. This comes from the reading, I think, is where I downloaded. I can't remember where it's from.
Yeah, it is in the reading.
In the meantime, number 5, did everyone get 71404?
Hold on a second. I'm a little tired. Yeah, let's pull up. Okay.
Hey guys,
So,
I hate to do this. I have to take a 2-minute break. I have to go check my son out from school, and then I'm gonna be right back. But I'm gonna leave it open, but I'll be just right back. Okay?
okay, that works. You can.
You guys keep going.
Are you guys okay if we just wait for her? Mark, Mac, are you guys cool if we just wait for her?
I need to get one, unfortunately, but I can go ahead and submit this and get off early or whatever. Either way.
Okay, well, let's finish it up then, and then those who's going to wait for Becky, we'll go back and we'll go through stuff with her.
Sorry to be a pain.
No, you're fine. That's why I was asking, not demanding.
Well, you're a good person.
Yeah, 5. Okay, so next one we need to put the 519, 1, and 3. Also, a trick that I have picked up on, yes, is if you put all the numbers in, and then take a picture of them with your phone, so you don't have to keep switching back and forth on screens. It helps.
There you go.
Oh, that's a good idea.
I really can. Okay, so we're on number. Oh, what are you?
6.
6. The survival times, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So I've got the mean as 7. What do you guys have?
I have it as 7 as well, yeah.
Okay, awesome.
Mark, did that Excel come through for you?
I'm getting it now.
Okay, awesome.
Where's this quantitative description?
It was in the reading.
Yeah, it's in the reading.
Well,
That's probably where
I
all
didn't
the
see it.
files are too. So anything about it. Really Excel files. They're awesome.
So sorry, I'm back.
You're back?
I'm back.
Welcome home.
Welcome back. I think you answered one question while you were gone.
Oh, good.
Question 5, right, guys? No, question 5 is question 6. Becky, where do you leave off?
Question
Which
5,
one?
I have the answer to. We were on question 6.
Okay,
Anyway.
question 6. So for question 6, you want to clear out that first column, that A column on the descriptive statistic, and you want to enter in the 4 numbers under survival times for the next couple questions. That 5, 19, 1, and 3.
my gosh, my computer's being so wiggy.
The mean survival time. Okay.
All
So
right,
7
so
is the mean survival time.
Yep.
Yep.
Okay.
and then the median is then 4. Is that right?
Yeah, I have median as 4.
Yep,
Cool.
I got 4. Remember that we entered in the space. Oh, now we have to do it by hand, huh?
Yeah, those lovely people that we love and adore so much, right?
Yeah.
And we minus the number from the mean, correct?
What's that?
We minus the number from the mean, correct?
Yeah. So number 8 is at 12. Is that right?
Wait, hold on.
I'll get to that one, Mac.
Is it mean or median that we're minusing from? I want to say it's a mean. For some reason, all my notes just disappeared.
It's from the mean. It says it right there in column 2. Deviation from the mean.
Yeah.
Okay, so 5 minus. So we have 5 minus 7 for column 2, which equals -2. And then column 4, the next column is 4.
Number 8 is 12. Is that right?
Number 8. Yes, that should be 12. Does everyone understand how we're getting that?
Just taking the mean minus the, the age, which is 19, minus the mean, right?
Yes. And then for the next one, we just square that answer.
That'd be
Square.
36.
Okay, so 12 squared. Anybody have a calculator?
Well, not 12
No,
squared.
these are different number.
Yeah, yeah. So it's
Oh.
1 minus 7 squared, which is 6 squared is 36.
Oh.
Yep.
At 19 minus 7 squared. Why is it not 14 squared?
What's that?
Or 12
What?
squared? Why is it not 12 squared?
So if you look at the table, the 12 is the answer to number A.
Right.
So we're filling out the table, and so the next line is 1, not 19.
Gotcha. So it's -6 squared.
Yeah, you're good.
Okay.
Yeah.
Which is what? Sorry.
36.
Is Mark still with us? You good, Mark?
Yeah, I'm here. Can you hear me?
Yep.
Okay. I hope I'm with you guys. I've got the stream.
He does have a point.
Yeah.
Okay.
Number 10, I just plugged it back into the spreadsheet. I got 8.2. Is that what everyone else got?
Nearest sensor is at 8.2. Is that right?
Yep.
Is this for
8.2.
number 10?
Yeah, number 10.
All right, hang on a second. Let me pull up my spreadsheet here.
Okay. Question 11. We're going back to.
What did you get for 10?
8.2. So that when you go back to the spreadsheet and look under the heading or where they have the column, the row for standard deviation, and then we're supposed to round it to the nearest 10.
Yeah.
Yep.
Gotcha. You guys are just like super fast.
It's much easier if you have the spreadsheet. Turns out.
Yeah.
Yes.
So, spreadsheet is
For the next two
amazing.
questions, give the 5-number summary for the wrong patient lawsuit cost. So now we have to look up. Well, no, we have the wrong patient lawsuit cost.
Yeah, that's the second column in that first sheet that we.
Okay, yep, got it.
Thanks, buddy. Holy mackerel. There you go, little sister.
We just have to copy and paste that second column in, correct?
Correct. And make sure you clear out column A first before you do that. Otherwise, weird things can happen. Okay.
What's the number 11 here? What's the 5-number summary? I don't remember what that refers to.
Yeah, just a second. Let me pull it up for you.
That's like your mean and your quartile 1
Yep.
and quartile 2.
Okay. Let me hit.
So the 5 numbers are your minimum, your quartile 2, which is the same thing as mean, and your maximum.
Yep, the minimum. So the first number is our minimum.
Right. Which is 1882. Did everybody else?
Minimum I have is 0.
Yeah.
Yeah, me too.
Oh, minimum. You're right. I'm looking at mean. Sorry.
You're okay.
Median.
So how? Maybe I didn't. I may not have gotten to that part of the reading. How does the 5-number summary go?
So the 5-number summary, but the 5-number summary, they use it to make a box plot chart. But the box plot chart's the easiest way to see it, which is you have 5 lines basically. The first line represents your minimum. The second line is your second quartile. Your first quartile. The third line is your second quartile or your median. And then you have your third quartile and the maximum. This is a really basic way to show the layout of like the range and everything you're dealing with. It's very, like when you see it, like you'll see in the reading, and it makes working this a lot easier. Like you'll see, I like it. It's nice. It helps you understand the data, if that makes any sense.
All right, I think I just found it.
Is the median, minimum, and your maximum and your middle get quartiles? If you want 4 quarters, then you just have a quarter 1 and a quarter 3 on either side of your median.
Yeah. So the second one's your second quartile. Is your first quartile, right?
Yes.
Okay.
Which is 3900, right?
Yep, 3900.
Are we just throwing commas in between these?
I don't think you don't need to.
Okay. So go 0, 3900, 18,882, and then is that 1,250,000? All right, I feel like I'm missing a number here.
So it goes, the minimum is 0, is 3,900, or median is 18,882.
Oh, I missed the third quartile.
Yeah.
It's 50145.
It is.
Yep.
It asks to the nearest cent, so make sure to put the 0.50.
11 is 0. Question 12 is 3,900, and question 13 is 2.
No, 50145.50 on 13.
Oh, is 13. I didn't read the question.
Oh, that's okay.
Wait,
What's number 13?
I think number 13 is the 501450, right?
What number? Yeah. Yep.
Yep, it's the $50,145.50.
They skipped one. They tried confusing us. They jumped from number 2 to 4.
Ready? Plug them all in.
Okay, so that's Mark was either asked what it looks like. This is what the box plot looks like. And so if you look at the very bottom, there's like a short line by the 0. That's your minimum. The next line is your first quartile. The second line is your second quartile, or also your median. Third line is your third quartile, and then the fourth line, which is up by 700, is your maximum.
Okay, I see that.
One more time.
Okay, so the bottom line that's by your 0 is the minimum. The next line is your first quartile. That's, yep. This third line up is your median, also your second quartile. Your third line up is your third quartile. Your fourth line up is your maximum, and it's also technically the fourth quartile. If that makes sense.
Okay.
Okay, so for number
that last
14,
line, you're going to the whisker, right?
Yep, the whiskers. Yep.
Okay.
Okay,
whiskers
so
are the minimum, your maximum.
for number 14, where it's asking what is the third quartile, it's about 190.
About, yeah.
Is that right?
Yeah, I'd say about 190.
That's what I put in there too.
So it's not a range, it's just a number.
Yep.
Okay.
So number 15 is going to be 710 maybe.
Yeah, 710 looks lovely. Sounds lovely.
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 So the mean is going to be your third line then, right?
Yep, and that's at 100, like 105.
105?
105 sounds wonderful. Oh, hey, check it out.
I'll submit it here.
We're ready. We all have to submit it once, guys, or we get in trouble.
Yep, I'll email Brother Ridges Brother Bennett about that, because that wasn't an issue last time I did this class. I think it's silly if it is an issue. Makes sense to me.
Hey, preaching to the choir.
So I'll inquire and be nice.
I don't think we need more than 2 group chances anyways. We're smart.
Oh, no,
we can figure it out in 2 tries.
Well, and the main thing with it isn't so much that we need the chances. It's just it saves everyone from having to go through it again and write all the answers back in.
Yeah.
It just saves time. That's all it is.
Yeah.
It marked us on number 16 here. We got everything right except for number 16, that last one.
Last one.
I got everything right except for number oh wait, yeah, I missed number 16.
What does it mean? What the crap? Oh, this can't be determined, guys. That's what it is. Because the second box, the second quartile isn't the mean, it's the median. So it can't be determined.
Tricky.
So to save you guys some time, I do recommend going through, writing down the correct answers, and then going back through it and doing it that way. And that way you don't have to think.
Yeah.
Yeah. So tell me again, why can't we?
Love that.
Number
What?
16, why can it not be determined, guys?
What?
16 not be determined?
Because it's the mean, not the median. So the third line is the median, not the mean. And so
so the mean's not even on the graph. Gotcha.
yeah, the mean's not even on the graph.
Okay. I missed Question 5. Did I just write it in wrong? 1404?
71404.
7104.
Yeah.
And number 3, I think I have a typo too.
Number
1.
80041.
Okay, I got it. Good.
All right, you guys are rock stars.
You.
did it.
No, this is the other thing. In my mind, it would make sense if one of us had submitted and like, hey, we got this off, and then we could all just fix it before we resubmit. It would just save everyone time.
Well, I mean, they give you the answers right here. I'm currently writing them down, but you know that's incriminating to say over this apparently.
Right. Well, I mean, it saves you time. It's just one of those things.
Guys, I appreciate it. I have to get running.
Bye, Mac.
Anything else I can help with before I head out?
All right, go party, Mac. We'll see you later.
Have a good one. Have a good time in your training.
Have fun at storming the castle. Okay.
I'm going to run out and see
Appreciate
if I
it. See
can
you,
get my to spy 2.
Bye, Becky.
Okay.
Mark, awesome. Thanks for starting up the group.
Okay.
Yeah, no worries.
Yeah.
Okay, thanks, guys.
Yeah.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye. All right, I'm gonna stop the broadcast.
Okay. You're solid.